Hello, agus fáilte hiagna seanslaí mas fáilir seansa bhacu glaciad na seanslaí. Is mise Hugh má gile cheara agus I don't know what super put spread so the Bohs. The Bohs. We actually file harassment in my DMs níos luí aniu mar ealgro má ag dul clicky Bohs agus nachro má ag dul clicky din and I'm like glad. Ní féidir lom cos níl car agam. Tá man job mar scra le muid cóleaci le muid courage ar dúspair tá man seo le aine bhuiir aine go timar tú.
Aintas as a ghfuil tú fáil harassment. Tá sé mar is ceart. Tá sé tiltte agad.
An
Bunkert. The Bohs jersey.
Na Bohs.
Ag is go tú dul clí Bohs in é seo.
An reachtas díra a bhfuirma was ní bheith Jim Sesta, as in Jim McGuinness. Agus look, ní bhím Gary a bheith ligin daoine síos ach just tarlaíonn se car agus a chaint fi lád a mína ligin daoine síos má seo fásta le James ó Flaharta James Jimmer tú.
Yeah, go má agus costa leis gym seo tá mis cinna in díhín food fashion bheith I turas takeíocht go na Bohs. Yeah. It's like it bhfuil na Bohs ri chu gar sin go haach. Like cén club a gar go haach. Agus cin Ablin cin fág mí turas takeíocht na Bohs. Is mé go jerseys as acu?
Ní hé. Well, I mean, no, ní hé. So
Gallagher like na hipsters na lads cool and what clia hín tar takeíocht an Bohs.
Karma Fragger or the Action. So and club atá is like as the crow flies atá Scar Lumsa is Shamrock Rovers. Ach tá siad san Sever agus ní mai lumsin. But ní hé sin fly nach bhfuil mai landsiad an fear bhfuil mai lands Bohs na mar ghfuil cara ógamsa bhaim Odin agus it's like fear like communist like socialist like mad lad bhfuil atoms ar own allscops macrístíon.
Odin as in
like yes
Norse god Odin.
Yes sin a time thar
As in Odin's son.
Yes
Thor Odin's son.
Yes sin é so níl really couple an graféid leis úsáid le haipáistí sa gan nar bheith páistí aige so cheannaí mise gansaí Bohs mar gheall gros the torch takeíart le MASI Movement of Asylum Seekers Ireland an carhannas céarna a bhálaí majinge airgid le gutse so we were like oh let's try like scansy jazz agus I was my cartoons le mo like jersey collecting like addiction agus so karma so some Instagram mo like oh for my Gansy show it's a class agus her my car text and being like so bet you'd last the Bosnish it was like yeah well like bedger like Rama I don't know like probably not I was just no like to gun chacklums to hickly Bosnish agus we were like oh yeah like chucking my no like tattoo like knee hey and fuckle dirchan that to be a Bohser like a Bohs poser be like to Gary machine
Oh
so which it was a re-COVID it was a rating like the launch event and that's their vision the genus Clahis na Viva like le kind of the trail one just like sport commercial reach agus so visha and kept na Bohs ne pauk so Europa Conference League agus yes sin quick blian hanis agus tá dul hiag na bhí gotí seo agus bhí season ticket agam zahan like I'm locked in like it's actually that's a really nairthe but that class though but tan like yeah but tan bus chain mo an bus team meet ha Gira higan an park agus chain an Lewis at an acclimacha Gira leis an park faster so
just meant to be
it was always meant to be just ní rosagam
Well, comes to rock, I'm just Cooney and I starts Go United if here blian agus choma ag tríchle. Agus tuigim like the Go United donna go man is churad agus tá League of Ireland ag fáú agus is a goal ongeart gneart agus goal anwa fu láthir. I don't know just ní some cast just team his random focus takeíocht towards open routines like he's just
Badger nos na Bohs
no not na Bohs ní
na Bohs níos culty like caiite sin ra like fiú do gine nachhfuil simachú soccer team si de cléhí na Bohs
yeah
goleor cluiste gom fuhu agus revision níl mar an ólas agams ar League of Ireland am mochuid ólas shrint an sin but fecim an irid sin den na Bohs tá siad
Fecala like
fecal ar na man hóisiúilta agus té ahanana heag na cléhí tá sé eiste ra nach nehaití riú clíthe na Bohs like tá difriocht idir an tar glúiseach atá acu agus na fórin eile sa League
Well, it's Jersey merchants iad, like sin ceáil an rud agus like literally like the documentary really my gent sin le Janie as walk to say James like Coppa 90 that's good in magazine agus
Mhm.
an si Lína ring se doc faoi Leave Ireland agus bhí se deadly like really mai, but bhí the can't faoi like na clubbaní derfol bhí the fecal haar an Jerry shouting se agus le lin the Bohs like I think goal an mage Ganzi mín siad na díal ó bhád níos urge na ein club eile, but it's mar alga mín de genu na collaborations ar fád le Tin Lizzy le Guinness inis le Aslan le like den kid am Chicago the share son take it an Palestine whatever so bhí agad dul gotí scaltathe Hallingin so bín si de genu just in mage and stuff whatever agus sin go sin fa nis te shite Sean I pasta like I don't think gur one should in stadium Saku Hain le blianamas agus chéim a han le uair agus bí me ggurcarú college a han le uair ach go fáil it's crack my head though sinna rud it's like they're chained to hiag chuige peil gaile agus fecinn na dingy cearan an sin na han chair shafting agus bín tú le phobal agus bunta Swiss le cheile agus bunta Swiss le cheile rivan clíthe bunch of drowning your sorrows and lying or in the like it's football jazz say
Well tusa chur soccer i gomfrad le peil gaile.
an aspect da an football ní an dói ar bí óhain eile
Gurí bheith fear chuirma le do chuid fácla gin.
Níl an sportcast well listen tá lein clubní soccer hart ar ihrú an ná go man eiscail gí or Celtic do Louis Celtic I like bunny ar Celtic actually
Tá funny though hí cuirum fi an bháin chuir me na drín agus ledó Seanach Rovers bhí an sure those Bohs they have more jerseys and trophies.
Space Branham James a gin canú.
Leis an seo fáda go leir gur féile sinna dhéanú I think
I actually think Orange actually kind of decent even though níma go mai Callancy at all so
Dúirt thing aigen though an rud a bhí grammar fi sin though was that go dúirt thing aigen tu sin fear that ahanana le club ever as in because being jersey ag ahanana le club ahan blia like being a homeworn jersey and away jersey actually it's goalkeeper jersey fast so sin treat so unless go ro ahanana le club ag buin 3 trophy ahanana le bblian fasta like Belgian and Doyle and Belgian non even by a comprad sin but I mean fair but take him in cast attach the rat but no it's few goal like the Baranum shiva a laku he can and stad hiag daily mountainish
Ná ro sin mar phláán agat an nuirí fa chunne de bhreile agus just níor a brise sa dearú.
chuirtar an chluíhir ceall
bedroom lína.
Bedroom líana listen be arm gen checker an féile an Jerry shafting sin a mé
Big game ag James but
oh yeah well obviously yeah
no it's long go mé mar sin der seachta cumas pe an gasta
yeah
oh sorry be mar racharn.
lads
No my does a racharn.
no actually be London
hí clu amsa der seachta sa casta so chum amach ar an túr Mistéireach so ablumm ciché ro sé sin riib
go on well you're Mr.
Ní hiag le Hugh rud a bhí rá. San agran journal an fudcur le dúirtmuid go meachmuid a lig a gáil ar an
Dúirt mu sé 66%.
Bhí James in fairness agus bhí leis go maithigh James.
okay wow all right cool yeah sure whatever
So the gonna bhí nachhuilas go déit bud a caiin faoi dagraí club chunar na Gaeilge bus Mistéireach I suppose marhealar nach diglann dul se sa club fi láthair bhí sé deas go jolinn rud é gin dhéanú agus ahan den thuirt le chéile so bhhaí mu lig timmuí ar chráid archars tháinig bus allhór agus líon muid a bus agus ní roihiúar an muslin but
sorry ní an andal leis nó bhí man andal but just
mé má chuig nó ag ré
for me má quick no Jay Ray
but
we were all surprised
ball
no so bhí look just for my gléach agus bhí arm de leis again all sin Nero arm but yeah for my gléach yeah no sorry for my text agus bhí arm de leis again all and then bhí arm gléach again well no for Gleicher James with this part to be like card to seo dhéanú. Agus in fairness to James, níor sean an níthe dúirte listen just Jen the railroad.
Well, bhí mis mar an ggéine ar chuirtú gléchorm, ní mis like, oh please, 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 like,
Ah, there's two though.
No, bhí Pauline Gentian, bhí mis kind of like,
Okay.
do what you want.
Do what you want. Is come along. Is come along.
Bhí mis go brúchart.
Bhí Hugh ar a fón umsa agus má tíach chun na hiile an áring, so i mó i lá na Glantach agus bhí gluacham ó Hugh mar le céad so fuck a bhtálíis go má fá gluach ó Hugh.
Ja, vís gom gur rud ag an go bheith cear nar for me léich.
Yeah.
No pun intended, just he's care like you care.
Hey-oh! Sin actually time with the bay ar ma chead radio show eile. No, the you car. Like you car.
Leisure, mas dúir sin cén situation bhí sé seán. So bhí sé an go ar a bush Mistéireach, nu bhí sé an go áitigh eile ní mar mór an faoi sin.
Didn't sin níos Sálaithe, I think
Sálaithe.
you're too much in it.
Like oh yeah, we're got like bougie girl.
Yeah,
Sin an rud. Ní
Bhí sé bhí sé an go le doch ar a bush Mistéireach nó doch an áitigh eile.
Yeah.
Sin an rá bhí an.
Yes.
So bhí tú cin le rálum céir a cheart a míana, ní ruús mar céir a cheart nó céir na cheart, ach basically just sound am amachchas.
Yeah.
Ar de bhí tusa ag geire dhéana, agus sin formas amachta deire céad a bhí a geire dhéana. Agus sin ringe tú agus sin bhí tú an bon lób sa deire, so
Ach enis but solar woman live enis doing faoi an turas so is gotí na cos which was na slaves sin nach bhfuil?
Yeah, so hí láhan den gromid go racharan. Sim gur mu sin ar agran na seach na scote go mai. We were like, absolutely, so much go racharan. No.
No.
Agus bu sa dí na neahí because bheith sé get bug níos fuide, I suppose, na náit ní romach beidir lethúir léiger an mus.
Okay.
Bhí sin fuirfa. So landal mu tús na sléifte ag pub ar bhanam the blue light.
Oh. Níor Mr. Real faoi
Fúla mis faoi ar an saharing, because mis gur formach Russia begógur a caring, so go bés go gasing lib ira caring.
James smíúir get bug an ceartú teachsús na sléifte le búlú livin.
No, ní dúirte gur tripús na sléiftú mar like, no, I'm good.
Saolaí fágad de cháran sin as a fel posáin lin.
No.
Bud landamud as bhín rairc is deise do bhaci mar Rio, do bháile clia, like just garca má ar nisce garc maith an gahar hí an spéir bandearg le lína gréine hí sé just like dúna hamní sin you're like jeez tá seo like dríochta just landam mu ag an am fuirfa sin agus cumsta hí áit cócúil like hí cóirteart sa lár sul se gananta hí si denna bí hí si denna manglam hí seomar chu hin áthe just dúine agus hí ceol beoirsúil thug siad bí sí ar nasca dúin hí price anrééisint ar na Johanní rud gur ahanana ansásta
Yes.
agus just bhí iad do chuirte agan le bhí se ionta jazz hí daoine gimmart fihiile hí sing session agang hí man just a caiintin hiig agus sílam gur lódal muidir lig arráir an mós hartar lehanní dó so landal mud ras a carthar trí agus sin ar rinne mis agus couple den eile cinniu sure tá mu rá dearchar raim mu go cápers like it's a no-brainer yeah smuoinú ionta bhíon sin
Ní ein tíim leat. But
no
ní ein tíim leat.
well camera ní rom seach go cápers bhhain hana so sort wahí me go roirm
Yeah.
a híháin ceart a bheith agam bhí sé cracailte
Yes.
bhí sé cosa le catal mairt
Yeah.
Inar bhí muidir fágáil bhí sé nuts like bhí me héonsú taimí as bhí ar cilíonn a bhála eilún cloakroom ach chail sé a hicéid as chuis sé rás seaf chuine bommate bud bhí an scúne có fada he was like no ní ma déna seo tuach marrás mara tá mála sin fósa
Yes. You can fall asleep coppers.
ach bhí sé
I think it like coppers and
right,
all in it.
Yeah, I think good law be stuff with this deal.
yeah bud bhíon bus mistéire ionta as beceartún rud níos rialtaí a dhéanú as am thuirmse mar bhí just ahan an ráiste chéile bhí sé cos gromad sa club
Yeah.
minus the club
Yes.
bhí sé really jazz as bhí ar garde le gan
Yeah. Well, nar hannig man the pictory in the A like an pictor be pictor galanta deep sure fod like
Mm.
I muos as cór an fob. Agus mar like, oh yeah, like sin é an club, like sin é in the dingy a meaning an club an tamar fahad.
The club isn't a place.
It's a state of being.
It's a
It's
feeling.
it's a feel a moment too.
Like,
A the free.
club means family, and family means no one gets left
Oh my
behind.
God. Wee baba. Sorry. Okay. But yeah, you're holding off in pub shop, but Visha was Cassie Stokes because I don't know, like
Yeah.
it's sketch size anyway.
Jonty ínta deasón, chulamid go dé glór stags an.
Yeah.
So bhí sig mo chulcear carm mu dul na bhí mu teart chuig bhaid hiúil ón casú a ghlachmid ón bríomhóthir. I
Okay.
mean, hús na sticks an seo bhí much like
Hmm.
just about gur bóthir sin. But
Hmm.
dúirt si sé gur tugad dad seici sé an sin fa chunne stag. Hannah. So I think bhfuil éile bhéir mé eala go sé just get bug mí hún gahar ach
Yeah.
níos roiád a hiúil. But ba cearttíh dul an bhí sé ínta.
Yeah. Well, Shin Road Fast is like Le Ruddy Marshin. Like obviously we should fix the rock iron, but like having in the Dulga rock iron, like
Yeah, bhí mé ní
the
lei
like, you
sé.
know.
Yeah. As just bé muidir racar na ríis go lua fa chunne mórta spellas fa chunne fin na galí agus sé just trí le Winchester for gan nuair.
Nive Misha. Oh, the Misha as if it's not entirely self-inflicted. Misha
I know.
Misha Doggle London that. Oh well. But sorry, this are tourist Misha to Hain Foster James. This we are na Elan La High Clee.
No, ví som kom god.
I know, okay, no, we can catch it to call.
A tá na hiile an ínta mistéire.
Yes.
Ví som kid my yin the version. So yeah, just munchin. Check that. What that's on. Room was clear, so awa. Yeah, can't complain for sin. Vi das gerut. Agus sin sushi sta duna. As jij in tot das Rinstin Jekyll. Vi in Dublin City Half Marathon on. Vi
Yes.
Blokli Plodia, vi Blokli vi Kiri and I Moyo version, the league. So vi in there's after just gnog, you know. So agus vi lawn more on.
Paranoid.
Yeah,
Uh,
that's the third thing that came into my head.
yeah, exactly. So it was what Cleia, the one who gave you life. Sinead and need the level her at all.
Ach an ró fómó ar bíthirh nar chuní sibh na picture go náda ón thuras mistéire.
I'm just gonna go slide away here, Tom. No, obviously V. Like V my Gary a
Better.
yeah, you better fucking no, because obviously like ihe mod live shit like shin can the is fair I mean ogum. So like tam goni Gary bay $1 in the agus go Harry like la dull hig etch more shit. You know, agus dúirt is a positive actually their own live a coppers. You were like Kyle to my arms to the canu like near hold to me ag genny mo session heol gafal, you know,
Si
and
be gcónaí rá like, well, is ceoltar aine, but you know, ní cloise muine rií. I'm like, ní bhín si bheith na sessions. Agus ní bhín si bheannar bhí canú. As can mé, as, you know, bhí ahananta na canú in hí sin bhí wat háart ar trocha duine I gghearcail ahananta na canú áir, and I was like, well, to Hugh kind of
yeah, literally, and he had rolled there's too long. Not me, there's too just to echo, by the way. Hi to my arm.
like in your face.
Yeah.
That's what you get.
Eight punch again. Listen, Cather else so much yeah, Ramachik session. Agus Jenny with Jay. Listen, Jenny's karaoke. Shouldn't road. It's a Jira mark here in the
Aberlum am agus ach be man.
James too much I got karaoke. Kind of joy in him. Are you James Rofomo Artsa? No, it's very not no, right?
Nímarrá, yeah, nírá fómór, but nímarrá nachmos agus as a bheith on, like as in I wouldn't have minded if on ach sin like we my age clear ruchta is we in the years pint agus pizza mas mejor. I think you know brand clear connacht like monster. I don't think grow more on ruddy na the bheith níos fear home
Yeah.
buinte sin. So we might like need a FOMO go dunne sin gomach my ger Thomas sus gedi bar slíomh bloklie ma chora goán ag sin go ráige teach ag sin trí a go sus ag an ána ríist gan cá agus sin yeah so ní an FOMO dunne but like ne chonig man na scéalte an láhééis me like te réiche das agus bh go das an morach go an lá a bhí am so I wouldn't say kind of FOMO. There's just
More
irritated go hála sé lá chéanana bit.
yes.
Yeah.
It's Polychore, James
Curfew sin go cuama.
James is present.
Agus bhí lad ón gar ruúa.
Yeah.
Actually,
go on.
Gardaris, agus bud níro ana go méir, agus just hání sé níos go mas irte. Jamer tá lad so gunne. I was like, who are you?
Oh, look, Anya, my tagging thing is so good. It's my hearn cash start. Jimmer ta lad so you always assume as a cowru. Always assume goes to the country James. Morris A. James lad so you.
Leis sé anium ag an eile James, like anium the soccer player again.
Hamas.
Sinné, dúirte, oh yeah, could you remember Hamas? Like, as if girl mis go vis gom, céir bhí sé caiifi.
Well, like being Reinstein, I think at a garú go Hamas me all in like Cyn sin current down the robil to so Shanna be like Hamas Rodriguez or Rame so Shanna kinal in Roma Gimmers Minner Chiapoin agus a brand new and for an alla for an century usually so no my trainer low vi ma no but then just like cuz I go Hamas then it kind of stuck like even frig all actually away from these move but like talk up it in the force lanes or whatever I guess chin first chin is like Gimmers AFL Ní only named the James are horrible. Like it's flat. So like
I don't know can go him be flat. Kind of goes like plan.
I like flat.
We Reins James is it for na hair and the Thompson. So we had to see him so to differentiate for your nicknames of hurts. Like you shouldn't just flat at the Thompson. So yeah. So
gas.
Flat just
well, Sean wrote that like
flag kill the heron.
Yeah, flag kill the heron. Damn right, brother.
No, flat and Michael Cook of friggin' fart.
No. Well, Sean wrote that ni anim ha really like nicknameable Anya not Hugh. Ni happen.
Ni higlat would be Yanulo, no.
Yeah. Well, it's all freaking yard.
Sean shouldn't. Yeah.
I know who lets it much on, but
I should number kit, Well, yeah, exactly. It's Hughie.
Which is in these footage, so it's not.
Yeah, like it's the opposite of like. Did the goal go Glasgow? Jerry Shotty Sean James to the people, to my people, to the land of which they
yeah, to your people, sure.
Literally,
James, I'm she Denagan. Inúningáil nach bhfuil chlán acu an Alban.
Okay, well, go más ús duna híns le top Rangers are up.
Yes. It's listen. It's tá mis gafa leis an darla.
Cast timp yes, that's let's accounting with it.
Oh sure, I wouldn't know. Sure, hold on. Wait
a second.
No, tá literally a hanine sála nasci le Glasgow ma hen snarf like there's a just an nasci in ná agus Glasgow just Ní ma onda like quickly on Jake though, so they're really great.
That's well like that's racing that like
it's crap. No,
jazz.
Níl se pretty, but tá crack inta on us.
Yeah.
Cos la Belfast.
The Michigan Luna like the AFL members is criminal ring him on tournament of lane TV noch an freshen. We piece crack like new ring him out like in Celtic tour I guess.
Oh yeah.
Just shoot simple card is fecal choler vi fecal on like it's chalk and cheese go Edinburgh go Glasgow like prettiness I guess really chin cultures are the like it's Glasgow was that reason so agus Cuiimlum dúlum there be my hall on and who's at it usually like ebe the instance ná fá Jersey Celtic it's not just go staach a pub a bit me all bullerú so chéadú in your ma chean my Jersey Celtic
of course
They're like, I'm here, bitches. Let's go.
Tá RTA in it, Kai se bheith agenta.
Yeah. Like was a chonic like on Celtic tour on. They saw me coming like a sucker. We like, oh, shot lad nishi Canada jersey, fucking €90. €90 dead. Come brand new third kit. I say na chasha da I the raw oud hey my handacht.
Yeah.
After go hauling though, just I'm small. But yeah, bis getting kind of new nish there's my whole there's after show. But yeah, no, it's
Well,
just piece crack on, you know.
well, being dingy, I feel like I mean the air in the Gaharia means the Kaihu Ganzi his Celtics so I here in the this means the Kaihu like Ganzi in the hair. Like it's just like
Oh
in
yeah.
Pique, Game in the hair in the ear fa big Kaihu the gan like a handle Lala Fadrick, a handle or will like even like clean the hair and whatever. I mean obviously Kujin Chag will should glass faster, but like I think the guy he a handle dinne Tá birch agamsa tá le gansaí Celtics tí agamsa bhí trí agam actually in sin le déanaí ach le cai tú iad a bheith agad or else
I think chulin éidirnach gohfuil wardrús lo gohfuil gansaí nó dacins nó hoodícins nó ruúdcins an cumanáte acu
yeah
gohfuil ruúdcins acu go an chundé
mhm.
agus go gansaí Celtic acu. And
Yeah
that's the three bits of clothing atá cholle runne éach. In my opinion, I think we've been at three rud similar like cholle dinna bill in
Ag
éidir.
ní fiú cadig mo ahar gansaí soccer na hhéan a fas níos nó cin rugby ach bhí cadig gansaí Celtic i gcóí bheith aige. Tá d éigen níos gailí. Bhád níos gailí faoin.
oh gas it's like no like the hair like public the hair like no ni fair like like soccer like no ni fair like the tar package and oh but Celtic of course absolutely
But mar dúirt ní sé it's a leg faoin pobl. It's a leg faoin na landúirí agus na landúirí hain le an cuman hall is Celtic.
yeah
Mm.
nothing about really Gary Dull hig play Celtic or if you might can learn money so I get like a one so I get agus like we crack my own with more really Gary Gallery agus to scream a little heart out and sin the much actually Gary if actually can't just number like Jarla James tomorrow agus anya must point out the traffic shot fast the more falter road
Love
no
that I'm an afterthought.
no inch that came flat because I'm a hunch shot instant and you might be like this is my worst nightmare yeah well let's look at the away days James that's the
Like,
and packaging
yeah.
so basically I don't know how this roof and yet you can do the high package right agus chain to be an airport agus engine should ditch cane car with the dulhig and lashin agus sin chain to he clear random in like random like car in the harp or whatever so it could be like take out equally small so that you're like guaranteed like top four leagues whatever it's like Premier League Serie A La Liga agus whatever agus Bundesliga no better chance my go to dull hig like third league Czech Republic clique they're like the Bala Bugshot or whatever where people are like like anything else you can clear shahas should basically so but generally like Jerry Shafting though so I'm really Gary Yanu because I just think of it have really really groundwork so any must smile at Yanu see they're she's not fair not be rare like oh it's after
It's
that
not
mission
hard, no.
yes not be rare like oh it's after that mission cash towards it like but I know that
Dhéana go maiil in a league.
yeah higgling sin nu faster it's just
cool though.
oh bit yeah I mean bit deadly like
I mean Oklahom's just chat and Sierra because Líthe skipal.
Ach, like, we'll send the wacht basically was in the depths of like Sweden, like not what had on Ach on Park.
yeah
Agus bar on, agus that would be it, like,
I'm sure she haven't shin me.
but yeah I'm sure this is these
agus that brother actually gonna locht HRA fad when Czech.
Oh yes of course
Czechia is Czechia initiative or
oh sorry Glaschú yes
it's Hugh Czech Republic I don't know if it's that in it so locht than Czechia
fear
Thomas Gera was in a cartoon sin.
well I'm cancelled
James the president but the McGregor Riocht to James Riocht no I'm saying like I'm at least niet found that didn't
oh okay sorry yes taking a shit sorry I was like hold on 1 second
no. We are not he who shall be named even though Goodbye accidentally do man him 2 seconds ago but
yeah whoopsie
Ach tú gimmert AFL an deirseach na seo James bhfuil?
yeah so just yeah so the my Etzels so in you and ine so Etzels fe Tracy Shea son Tronona got a noon cúpadacham ag daine is car agus sin go amach immert blitzatá like just be rins what cluí on ar saring and then be winners losers on or whatever agus sin go look amach at each taréis like so be the casa daine all like casla like casma le imroí tá fu an balla lí níos be my bit in bug an train up sin so cars mal am rins sin be my feáil sin agus sin even lads like you didn't remember man I man I was at team GB agus was at team na Frankie because the like Bishop Hall version gimmer so Lena club now so Bishop that's range all that yeah so it's kind of nice wholesome vibes like it's nothing too serious not that in like it's good ass and then obviously go gimmers AFL Portugal Holter go AFL with the gimmers is Tashworth so it's not for go on Shellamade the show was came Lippo
Give it lá Glaschú that sin as.
I think 3 law so
rub it in you know
Gunnar bhí arcar an bhí an go bheice có tú is atá James fi láthair.
Ní féad lom sa táis fáis. No tash agus no tash no okay well that's not true no tash agus no mullet ní féad lom
Mesa.
broad arm bronzies but yeah ní féad lom das le muid grúig ní féad lom ein rud dhéanú so bín 8 arms ar James nar acumen an facial hair mí agad listen
I got this like transplant a skin the
just Rama siar go turkey agus just joim an na grúig but just
be chola na capo go mé na liphuiid an tad ú set a gnéirpóú
No, was gunnar ein daoine like beard rash ó ghuioine eile le féasóg a fógu.
yeah
But sí lí daoine bhfuil tú néomh pógu den éigen le féasóg. Tú néomh pógu James.
oh sorry yeah but I mean wouldn't I be so lucky listen not my own tower look Rinwood Labby like yella Rinwood Shamry look we're never beating the allegations more Jerther
yeah nar fóga mis ding ever like airnted Tom go beard rash all me all like vi either on stubble orm like in show father show the vin father show I think being actually cannot throw young with he's if they kiss me be my like I think good I gotta give noch me like Tasha criú goma and the means bear to look like I don't think any difference on
No Tasha one níos massa just like an héad nó dar lá in édó fás rash as bín se có géir agus sort of like gartha gangle so sin níos massa ná like cromel lá an mar sin.
yeah so really just caiitún cromál a bheith ort hammer fád you know
you just shave a galore I think bear mar sin I think
the big baby face Casalumsa
Oh it's fine an cromel it's cool
Taréis an clé can so hín crimeller lei an séar a fá pellet so that's the 2024 season done dusted so ní near sem orm fósam le gimmers pell
sin James a Mary
yeah so fi go mai seach agus dús príomide am ónscoil le mar offer yeah ní ceartú an criminal a bheith aige bín se brenn choteán leis a criminal agus it sin like that was grand right agus it sin I think chonig Collinbog sus sin am agus vi I think no dús a príomide sin lumsa ní like yeah it sin dús Collinbog lum sin like bhfuil mis ní sinne na mar offer or like so on and so forth. As you like, no, it's Mr. freaking Zoge. She like, oh yeah, name's mustache at Nisam. Been to just ban the Hoshan. It's like, what's going on?
Ashley Henrik.
oof
Like that's a vote. That's a vote against the mustache from now on.
Kick in the stomach.
Sure, yeah. So she like, oh yeah, no chonig mo ga mustache from like, yeah, that makes sense.
big oof that's scandal listen James it's all right the guy can't free
No, I don't know. I think been all smiling all the stop him.
I do ná that you dullig choirleir.
yeah agus can't free le thing éigen eile Sinead don agranseáil don pod. Go bhhaid bhí géis le seansaí. Gur muid leas man hosta Siedling amsú ar seansaí Instagram, seansaí Twitter agus seansaí ar YouTube, with the Gary and Amst man host for anywhere Instagram, anywhere Twitter, agus anywhere TikTok, with the Gary James Amst man host for Fire Tacker Instagram, Fire Tacker Twitter, this Fire Tacker TikTok, this with the Gary Mahane Amst man host more Hugh Carrier Instagram, Hugh Carrier Twitter, agus just gra Hugh Carr ar TikTok. Sinead don agranseáil image rash leis an chatting showing a cadísin don igi sult as an chatting. Salon!
Come on!
On.